Hey guys! So today I'm opening such a special package. This was my Grail doll. I was able to score her for such a great price. I was so surprised. I've been on the lookout. They've been very hard to find ever since that YouTuber made the video explaining past doll lines. I think I like watch her all the time, but yeah, when she did the Pinkie Cooper video, they freaking just were all off Mercari, all my saves. So I was like, man, next time I see this specific one in this dress, I'm getting her. And so I found her, and for a great price that I didn't feel like, oh my god, I literally can't spend this. Here is the Pinkie Cooper with her beautiful, like, psychedelic, like, raincoat and the pink rain boots. So cute, because it just makes me think all, you know, the 70s, 60s style, which I love. And like, yeah, she looks like she's wearing go-go boots. It's just so awesome. And yeah, the Pinkie Cooper feet are kind of weird, so I'm so glad I got shoes because I'm just styling her up. Oh my god, I can't wait to have so much fun with her. I've been carrying her around. She is just the cutest. So yeah, they sent these accessories as well. All these cute little stickers the seller shipped. Like, they were so sweet to me. This little loopsy comb. Yeah, I'm so happy with this package, and I'm so excited. Follow my doll account on Insta if you want to see more pics of her.
What are you doing?